I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Sushi and Friends. What makes Sushi and Friends different from the others aside that it is made by passion by Allison? They also offer a keto version. Yes, you heard it right. Aside from sushi rice, they now offer a sushi baked with cauliflower rice. So yes, it's low carb, so if ever you are into keto, then this is perfect for you. Excites me in sushi bakes is actually the nori seaweed because why? Wala lang ganahan lang yung kumulan lang niya. So for that, let's try it right away with the sushi bake basig mahurot niya ni nako ang nori. So what I really like is actually parihag yun ang volume sa cauliflower rice and the toppings also. Wala na overpower ang mga toppings sa rice. But I'd like to get more of the cauliflower rice para makitaan yun ninyo that the cauliflower rice really looks like rice and this definitely tastes like rice also. Okay, so let's make another one right away. So here makitaan yun ninyo that you can see the QP, the cream cheese, wasabi, cucumber, and yes, kani. And wait, are those gold edible flakes? So why not? May pag-gold ang ilang sushi bake. To order, you may just message the official social media accounts of Sushi and Friends. I would like to emphasize that this Salmon-Kani Sushi baked with cauliflower rice can also come with a sushi rice. For that, mga onata guys, dako kay paak no. Full jud kayo ang flavor, and what I really like is actually probably the mayo nga gigamit. Tasty na gyud kaayo. Plus the kani, plus the cucumber. Di kaninyo maklaro pero yes, murag tanan, all goodness just in one bite. Ayan. So after all, nakonsensya ko sa dili na ko kanon sa ang nori. Kay lami sa jud kay ang sushi bake. See? Sushi bake na lang, wala na sa nori. Lanlan ra na ko unya. But then again guys, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and please continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!